Hello everyone, it's Jimmy Long from my online videos. You know, with all the things that's going on in the world, with the retrogrades and the eclipse and the supermoons we had last night, it's important for us to get out in nature so that we can remain grounded. With all the different emotions that's going on, we need to be grounded. Get out in nature, be grounded, hug a tree, stay positive, raise your positive vibes. Nature is so beautiful. It's important for us to get out and stay grounded and stay in touch with ourselves, especially during times that we're living in right now. The uncertainty, the upheaval, the disease, the pandemic, the uncertainty. We need to be grounded. Getting out in nature is one of the ways to do so. And in my last video, I talked about my 28 positive affirmations to help you stay grounded. But here's another one. Get out in nature. Meditate in nature. Hug a tree. Go for a walk. Pray. It's beautiful out here. It's important to get out and stay grounded and keep your cool. People are shooting each other, fighting each other. Road rage is rampant because people are lost. They don't know what to do with themselves. They don't know how to handle all the emotions that they're experiencing with the moon cycles and the planetary shifts. They don't know what's going on, but we do. It's important to get out in nature, to stay grounded. Look at this beautiful nature. Hey, let's do some affirmations. I am divine. I am divinely guided. I am divinely protected. I am a child of Jehovah God. I am blessed. I am handsome. I am attractive. I am beautiful. I am successful in everything that I do. I am intuition. I am smart. I am articulate. I am a winner. I am a champion. I am positivity. I am abundance. I am improving my wealth every day. I am improving my prosperity every day. I am meeting new people who will help me change my life. I am good. I am awesome. I am amazing. I am miracles. I am magic. I am getting better and better every day. I am unstoppable. Remember these? You can come back and use these affirmations as often as you need until you feel comfortable and confident enough to have your own. And as long as you believe them and you can feel them, they will help you change your life. I'm Jim Long, my online videos. Peace.